uCertify's one-click dashboard neatly presents all the major options on the first screen. These options are organized into 4 simple groups: practice test, study helper, enhance your understanding, and track your progress. The logical organization and layout of the dashboard makes it easy for even the novice user to get started on his or her learning journey right away. Each PrepKit has multiple options under practice tests, such as diagnostic tests to give you a good idea of where you stand at the outset. Predefined tests A, B, C, etc. are based on actual exam requirements. Final tests will measure your readiness for the actual certification exam. Quizzes. Test yourself along the way with quick pop quizzes on key exam points. And adaptive tests to give you an experience with computer adaptive testing, or CAT. The practice tests are extremely customizable. Customized testing helps you take a test based on your needs and learning style. For example, you can easily create a test based on an exam topic or study notes to reinforce key concepts just learned. Or perhaps you don't have time to take the standard practice test. Just specify the fixed time you have, and the PrepKit customizes the number of questions for you. It's that simple. Let's start with a diagnostic test. All tests begin with a health screen. On this screen, you can easily configure test options such as the number of questions, time allotted, the passing score. Raise the level of difficulty by having the last answer option always be none of the above. Start your test in either test or learn mode. In test mode, you will be able to review your answers with accompanying detailed explanation at the end of the test. In learn mode, you can review the answers to each question right after answering a question. This helps you to learn the subject one question at a time. Choose whatever suits you best. To start the test, simply click the Start button from the toolbar. Each question is modeled on the format of the actual exam. uCertify PrepKits support multiple types of questions found on certification exams, such as multiple choice, hotspot, drag and drop, choose and reorder, and simulation. Click on the answer you think is correct. Navigating from question to question is simple. Choose navigation buttons from the bottom toolbar or press keyboard shortcuts such as N to navigate to the next question or P for the previous question. The PrepKit offers a number of flexible options while you take a test. For example, you can print a question, provide feedback, write additional notes or comments for future reference. You can pause a test at any time. You can also bookmark a question you want to review later, rate a question, or tag it for future reference. When you're done answering all questions, click on End Test. You have another chance on the item review screen to ensure all questions have been answered. If you wish, simply click on the question you want to review. If you are satisfied with your answers, click on the Result button to continue to the Result window to see how you did. The Result screen shows your performance in the test and provides you a range of feedback options. Instant feedback helps you clearly identify your areas of strength and weakness, which give you a precise idea of your exam readiness. The question report shows your performance by question. Summary reports show a breakdown of your performance categorized by subtopic. Use these reports to get a clear grasp of your understanding of the topics and areas to focus on. Nothing like striking while the iron is hot, so the results screen allows you to review or retest. You can review all questions in the test, or review only incorrectly answered questions to save time, or retest again. Retake the entire test, or only the incorrectly answered questions. Alternatively, just review the related study notes and key concepts. You can also simply click on the question you want to review. This will directly take you to the questions and provide you with full explanation. After you've completed your test, you can review it. The PrepKit provides correct answers and detailed explanations for each question, elaborating not only on the answer, but on the concepts on which the question is based. This ensures thorough learning of the subject. While reviewing questions, be sure to use the additional study notes to help you learn and reinforce key points. Add tags, provide feedback, rate questions, or discuss a question with other users. uCertify PrepKits help you track your progress effortlessly with a variety of reports, including test history, test readiness, and objective readiness reports. Test history shows your performance over time, helping you accurately review your progress and assess your test readiness. You can click on the review button to review the questions and explanations again, or you can take a retest on the same set of questions if you wish. Test readiness reports show your test performance on predefined tests and other test types. Objective readiness reports show your performance on tests customized to exam objectives. This gives you a clear idea on your progress, strengths, and weaknesses by exam topic. After you've covered all exam objective topics, tested yourself on each, and performance reviews show high scores, you are ready for the full-length final simulation exam, which is another good indicator of your exam readiness. You will find several useful study aids throughout the prep, designed to help you study efficiently. Study Helper provides you a chapter-by-chapter study guide. Click on the Study button to begin your learning. Study notes are organized chapter-wise in an easy-to-read PowerPoint-style format. If you're an instructor, this chapter-by-chapter organized method of covering exam objectives is very useful in a classroom environment. Navigate each study note using the toolbar or keyboard. Pop quizzes every few slides enforce understanding. At the end of each chapter, you have the choice to take a test based on the chapter or continue with a review of the next chapter. uCertify's effective methodology ensures you have the skills and confidence needed to not just pass the exam in your first attempt, but to actually use the skills on the job. Enhance Your Understanding section is divided into multiple parts, starting with clearly spelled out exam objectives, flashcards, study notes, articles, how-tos, and study tips. These exam objectives help you understand the exam requirements and organize your study plan. Flashcards help you memorize definitions, terminology, and key concepts. This simple yet powerful feature helps drill in basic concepts key to mastering more extensive material. Study notes are organized by topic and can be navigated easily. You can also bookmark a note, rate it, or add your own tag. And feedback will also help you organize study notes based on your learning style. You can search through the study notes,